The opening day of the 2022 season saw wheels hit the tarmac under the sizzling Sepang sun for the first official test of the year. There was plenty of on-track action and tech innovation on show, so let's delve straight into the latest developments from Malaysia. Honda's new bike has garnered plenty of interest coming into the new season, with the latest spec RC213V having an updated tail system with the exhaust attached to it, different to what we've seen in previous tests. It appears though that they are still searching for the right chassis, as they have 4 different ones across the HRC and LCR garages. Marc Marquez initially jumped onto the 2021 bike as he eased his way back into things after a lengthy injury layoff, but the 8-time champion did down twice during the day at turns 9 and 15. Over at Ducati, there's been plenty going on. Like all manufacturers, the Bologna Bullets have brought a new engine to play with, while the factory and Pramac bikes were spotted with new exhaust. There were some minor differences from what we've previously seen on the Desmos ADGs in terms of the air intakes, but the lengthy front cylinder exhaust, nicknamed the didgeridoo, has returned. All the 2022 bikes were also testing out a new swing arm. KTM's Miguel Oliveira also tried out a new swing arm on his RC16, which had been previously worked on by Dani Pedrosa during the midweek shakedown test. The Austrian manufacturer also brought 3 different aero packages to try out, as well as a different air intake to try on the new engine. Both factory riders Oliveira and Brad Binder hit the deck during the day, while Tech 3's rookie duo Remy Gardner and Raul Fernandez both gained plenty more track experience on more powerful machinery, with the latter the best placed KTM. Yamaha brought an updated chassis to try, as well as some knee supports for the M1 in Sepang. The Iwata factory also tested an extra set of wings lower down on the fairing, as they look to find improvements to help Fabio Quartararo defend his World Championship title. It's a pivotal period for Suzuki, as they hope to make the GSX-RR the toast of the paddock once again, while Team Bosch Shinichi Sahara has admitted that the bike's performance is crucial to securing the future of 2020 World Champion Joan Mir. With that in mind, the Hamamatsu factory are working towards a better package, bringing in carbon-reinforced chassis which has previously been seen in Misano and Jerez. It was a good day for Aprilia, with Aleix Espargaro setting the 6th fastest lap time ever recorded in Sepang to claim P1, while teammate Maverick Vinales made it a 1-2 as the latest evolution of the RSGP has started the season brilliantly for the Noale factory. That's your recap of the opening day of testing in Malaysia. Riders will be back on track on Sunday to complete the weekend's work, and you can stay up to date with all of the latest action and news on motogp.com.